Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking a look at one of the most exciting off-road camper concepts imagined for adventure lovers, the 2026 Toyota IronPeak. Built to conquer the toughest terrain while delivering the comfort of a luxury home on wheels, this massive six-wheel expedition vehicle is designed for those who dream of exploring the world's most remote locations. While Toyota has not officially confirmed this model, the IronPeak concept showcases what the future of extreme overlanding could look like, combining rugged engineering with cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the IronPeak looks absolutely unstoppable. The aggressive front fascia features a bold black grille with Toyota branding, surrounded by powerful LED headlights and integrated daytime running lights. Heavy-duty steel bumpers, recovery hooks, and an electric winch emphasize that this machine is built for serious off-road missions. Massive all-terrain tires wrapped around black alloy wheels provide exceptional grip on sand, mud, rocks, and snow. The six-wheel configuration immediately grabs attention, giving the vehicle incredible stability and impressive load-carrying capability. Wide fender flares, reinforced body panels, skid plates, and high ground clearance allow it to tackle obstacles that would stop ordinary SUVs. A snorkel intake, roof-mounted LED light bars, side storage compartments, and an expedition roof rack complete the adventure-ready appearance. Every detail has been designed with long-distance exploration in mind. Step inside, and the IronPeak transforms into a premium mobile living space. The cabin offers modern digital displays, a fully connected infotainment system, wireless smartphone integration, premium leather seating, and advanced climate control. The camper section is even more impressive, featuring a comfortable sleeping area, compact kitchen, refrigerator, dining table, bathroom with shower, and clever storage solutions. Solar panels and a large battery system help power the living area during extended trips away from civilization, making it ideal for self-sufficient adventures. Safety and technology remain top priorities. The concept includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and multiple off-road driving modes. Intelligent terrain management systems help drivers confidently navigate steep climbs, deep mud, rocky trails, and desert landscapes. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota IronPeak could be powered by Toyota's latest turbocharged diesel V6 or a hybrid powertrain producing around 400 horsepower with enormous torque for towing and climbing. A heavy-duty automatic transmission, full-time four-wheel drive, locking differentials, and advanced suspension would deliver exceptional capability in the harshest environments while maintaining comfortable highway cruising. Since this is currently an unofficial concept, Toyota has not announced pricing. However, if a production version ever becomes reality, experts expect a starting price between $250,000 and $400,000, depending on equipment and expedition features. That would place it among the world's most capable luxury overland campers. The 2026 Toyota IronPeak represents the ultimate vision of adventure without limits. It combines rugged military-inspired styling, luxury accommodations, and legendary Toyota reliability into one extraordinary expedition vehicle. Whether crossing deserts, climbing mountain trails, or camping deep in the wilderness, the IronPeak promises a level of freedom that few vehicles can match. If Toyota ever decides to bring a machine like this into production, it could redefine the future of overland travel. Let us know in the comments whether you would take the IronPeak on your dream expedition, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive content.